to the park, and that from the fence over that way belongs to King's College. So that's what it is. It's King's College, and that's the building that we saw from the other side, from the opposite side. From where we are is exactly the opposite side. Is where we saw that building right there. That one, that right there. Yeah, is what we saw. And here we're gonna go across the field to go up on top of the hill to make it to the dike. That up there is the dike right there. The dike. Right one, that one is the dike. Yeah. Right, Oreo, and this is my Oreo baby, the baby Oreo. Right, Oreo baby. Right, baby Oreo. Come with dada, right, baby? My baby come with dada. The baby come with dada. The baby come with dada. The baby come with dada. Come with dada, the baby. Come on, Oreo. Come on, baby. So now I'm going up the hill. I'm going up the hill to get to the dike. That's the dike. Going down the hill. Over there. And this is the dike going up the hill. So I'm going up the hill now. And that's Oreo right there. Right, Oreo? Come on, baby. That's Oreo right there. And this is me. Right, Oreo? Holy Jesus. That's scary.
Yeah, I see that.
Right, Oreo? Come on, Oreo. Come on, Oreo. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, Oreo. So, if we're lucky, we'll be able to get to see some deer. If we're lucky, because we're too early, but they usually come out at nighttime. They usually come out and run after 5:30. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Stay by Daddy Oreo. Stay by Dad, okay? Okay, Oreo? Stay by Dad, Oreo. Okay? Stay by Dad, okay? Baby? Okay? My baby boy. Right, Oreo? Right, baby? You stay by Dada, right? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There's no dish over here today, Oreo. Do you see the deer? Do you see them, Oreo? I don't see them, Oreo. Do you see them, Oreo? Come here, Oreo. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Stay by daddy, Oreo. Stay by dada. Okay, stay by daddy, Oreo. Come here, Oreo. Stay by daddy, Oreo. Oh Lord, Oreo almost got into it. He's friendly. He wanted that, but he almost go start to play, and some people get scared about it, you know, because he only likes to play. Yeah, but he's not a vicious puppy or nothing like that. But he only tries to be to socialize with other puppies. That's why we're coming like this. We're going like that. Oh Lord. Okay, so this is a park. I'm in a park right now. Look it over there. That's the dike. That's the other side of the dike for the river. And the river's on that side over there, as you know, as we know. Yeah, that building right there, that building is the courthouse. It's the courthouse building. It's a few blocks away from here, from where we are. Yeah. Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh Lord. Okay, I'm gonna end up this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share it, give it likes, and if you have any questions, let me know. And your likes count. Thank you for your support. Every time every time you give me likes, every time you give me likes, you make you help YouTube to promote all my videos. Check my other videos as well. All right, thank you. Here's Oreo again. Walmart at nighttime. We're gonna pick up some stuff. This is what I'm gonna show you. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy, share it, give it likes. Are you over there already, baby? Yes? Yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh God, we're lucky. Look it. We're lucky. That was the only one, right?
No.
Oh no? Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. Okay. Let's go let's get the Chiats, okay? Let's go around to that side. Taking too long. They don't have him? Let me see. Oh. Giants. They look yummy. They look yummy. So what are we gonna do there? Oh, giants, yes. Jesus. Giants. Giants. You got giants? Giants?
No.
No? You know giants, right? Oh, okay, thank. I'm sorry? No? Thank you. Huh? Yeah, okay, come on. Okay. You wanna get some of the bread that they have over here? The frozen? Do we still got room over there? No, right? No room? No? Oh, Jesus. Okay. Come on. You push it, baby. That's what we got.
Okay, cash or card? Go right here. Okay. Yeah, 2 seconds for the server. You can go right here.
Oh, Lord.
Cash or card?
Card.
You can go on the end.
Okay.
And then you can go. Yep, que tenga buena noche.
You say to go to the end. Hey. What?
You scanned it twice.
Oh, where? Which one? Oh, let me get it. Hold on. Which one? The
Bread.
bread? It's scanned twice. Sorry about that.
That's right. All right.
Thank you.
Yep. If you have 2 seconds for the survey.
Yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. You want to do the survey?
What survey?
1319 right there. Arturo. Okay, go ahead. Right there. He only wants you to click on the star, I think. You got a star right there. There we go. 1819. That's what it would have been. Okay, yeah. Because before it was. Yeah. With the one before, this would have been about the average, right? That we usually, you see that? Except when we come back to thank you, you too. Except when we come back to do one little thing, right? To buy one little thing, right? One or two, right? Or something like that. You get my code, okay? Okay. I could go. Well, it's freezing, but not as much as before, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna end this video over here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share, and give it likes. As much likes as you can. Thanks for your support. It will help me a lot. It would show my videos much more. All right, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Doors open. I forgot to lock the doors anyways. They go big cars. They go. Huge cars. Oh Lord. Oh, and Oreo knows he got me, right? I think he knows, right?
I think he knows, yeah.